Welcome to RCTV. I'm Charlie and I have a Traxxas Slash.
And I'm Dallin and I have a Traxxas Rustler. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the springs on either Traxxas Slash, Rustler, or Stampede.
Let's get on with the video.
Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is remove the little screw at the base of your shock. Okay? Set that screw aside and make sure you do not lose it. It's a pretty long screw, so it could be going out. Okay, so now you're going to want to push your wheel down and pull the shock out. So and then you just want to lift it up and rest it on the body holders. Next thing you want to do is there's a little thing that holds on the bottom of the shock. You just want to push that down and slide it out. Now you can just pop off the shock. Okay, now you're just going to get your new spring and slide it on top of the shock. Put the little cap right on the end. Pop it into place. And then just turn your wheels back to the side. Push the shock into the little hole and screw it in. Now we'll show you how to do the rear shock. The back shocks are a little more tricky because you cannot turn the wheel. So you're just gonna want to unscrew this little screw again. Once you pull it out, it might get stuck on the wheel, so just push it up. And the wheel might go limp like this, but that's just fine. Just be careful not to bend in the middle. Now, same concept, you just pop off the little cap, fold it down, slide off old shock, slide on the new one, and lift up the car a little bit, line it up. There's a bunch of holes. Make sure that if you're gonna put it on a new hole, that you do the same with the other side. But it's good to just keep it what it was before. So then you just want to line it up with that hole and screw it back in. Finish tightening this little screw until it's really tight, because you want to make sure this won't just pop out. Check it to make sure it's not moving, and